It's hard to change the rules of this system, and that's by design. Rules are sort of the thing that people can understand and work in a bounds of. If I know for the next 10 years that Quai Network will have this progression and will have this sort of mechanistic way of operating, I can create my business strategy. But if I choose something that's more centralized and the plan changes and the roadmap changes, then I can't decide for my business how to operate. And I can't decide what I need in my own roadmap. So I think decentralization tunnels down all the way to the fact that, code is law. If you were to set something out ahead of time and do it, you want to be honest to that because people need to make decisions that are influenced by what you're building. To have something more centralized that's more feeble and ever-changing and iterating quickly and making these decisions that can have downstream effects to people on the business, it's hard. So that would be a lot of my reasoning.